All right, it's T1 to Steve Stain in the 503, Rose City King here. All right, Thursday verse days.
Thursday's birthdays. Can I get a oh? I'm just kidding. But I figure since the beat's kind of Greek, might as well roll with it. Cause I got this tap, so it's okay. Bitch, bow down, bitch, bow down, bitch, you better bow down, bitch, you better bow down. Let me Steve Stain, RCK, gonna run the town. Bow down, I'm showing a no fear. I move on to next tier. You know what I'm like is I'm a young spitter, call me young go-getter. But that be Steve Stain, he never be a trail figure. Keep it on like a donkey, but you know I famous. Feel like I'm another planet in Uranus. Shove it up Uranus, Steve Stain spontaneous. Coming on the shit, eat it like a Danish. And you know I'm gonna stain it, you really can't contain it. That be Steve Stain, the king up and in his raiment. And I go crazy, yeah I go ham. Thursday's birthdays, better bow down, bow down, bow down. If the kings come to town, you better bow down, better bow down, better you bow down, better bow down, better bow down. Only 19, see it in my side view. Oh, I don't care, you can't do what the stain do. Chillin' beside you, it's all off the top, man. Watch me leap up and never land, just like Peter Pan. Chillin', rap is my gimmick, but in the streets nobody's crossing my scrimmage. But you know what my dictionary calling young Webster. Man, I'm gonna eat 'em up like there was a chestnut. Steve Stain, go so ham, what? Nobody wanna sign him and feel it in my gut. I feel like I'm the best at it, that's why on my chest had it. But you know they hating on me, guess it really don't matter. Steve Stain, my brain scattered, my brain chemistry. Everybody hating me and my symmetry. Like it's evil that be Steve Stain Oreo. He can on the flow, never would you know the bro. Coming from Hillsboro, that 218, the one street that I lived in, resided, changed my fate. Why I go so ham, life in the sewer grade. That be Steve Stain, imagine chilling great, cause I bow down, better bow down. For too long I've been hated and clowned. Yeah, I'm in my zone and I'm going light years, but they better bow down. No respect for my tears. Next tier, I'll be chilling, better bow down. This year, that 2015, a Thursday number 4. That be Steve Stain, you're knocking at your door and bow down.